Withdrawing money from Bank of America after an account review can be straightforward if you follow the right steps. Here is a simple guide to help you through the process. Step 1. Verify account status. Check your account status to ensure that it is active and that there are no restrictions placed on it following the review. You can do this by logging into your online banking or contacting customer service. Step 2. Choose your withdrawal method. Decide how you want to withdraw your funds. Options typically include using an ATM, visiting a bank branch, or transferring funds to another account. Each method may have different limits and requirements. Step 3. Prepare required information. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the ASRock.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. Step 4. Complete the withdrawal. If using an ATM, insert your card into your PIN and follow the prompts to withdraw cash. If visiting a branch, present your identification and request the withdrawal from a teller. For online transfers, log into your account and follow the instructions for transferring funds. Step 5. Confirm transaction. After completing the withdrawal, confirm that the transaction was successful. Check your account balance or receipt to ensure the correct amount was withdrawn and that your account is in good standing. By following these steps, you can easily withdraw money from your Bank of America account after an account review. If you encounter any issues, don't hesitate to reach out to customer service for assistance.